How to add ICS file to Google Calendars. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add any ICS file to your Google Calendar. First off, open up Google Chrome and find the Google Apps icon right beside your account, and then simply open up Calendar from here, or you could just head over to calendar.google.com. Once your Google Calendar is open, just go ahead and simply open up your settings menu. So on the top right corner, you'll find the gear icon. From here, just click on it and another pop-up will appear. Just go to the settings menu here. And once you land on the settings page, on the left side under general, you have the add calendar option. And right below that, you'll have import and export. Click on it. Now you can select a file from your computer and you can add this to your calendar. And click on it and select the ICS file right here. So once you have selected the file, click on import. And if the import is successful, it will show you this successful message and click on OK. Now once that is done, if you want to see the imported file on your computer, you are going to have to go back and select your calendars. And from here, you could just go ahead and see the file that you have just added. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'm going to see you on the next one.